fun.
Nobody was there.
All right, everyone, meet Jacob here. He's going to go over this brand new Pioneer 1005 Deluxe build that we just did. Go ahead, Jacob, take it away.
Hey guys, this is the new turn signal system from RavEk for the Pioneer 1000. This is a plug-and-play setup. It has working turn signals, horns, and running lights. Now you don't have to do all of these. You can keep it a little bit simpler. We went ahead and went all the way with it so that we could give you the full show. And all you've got to do to turn the turn signal is flip a switch here on the dash. You've got your turn signals here, left and right, and you've got a hazard, and you have a working horn here as well. So to show you just one side, we're going to go ahead and flip the switch. Once that switch has been flipped, it is going to change the colors and go from a running light into a working turn signal. This will eventually time out and go back to a working light, so they are auto canceling. Well, I don't know what else to show on that one. I mean, on the front, it's
Same thing, just do this side so they can see that one blinking, because I like it. Looks cool. There we go. Same thing.
same thing.
Yep.
And then I'll show you the hazards.
The hazards go in the amber color.
Hazards turn in amber. And let's go to the back and kind of show you what's going on in the back. All right, so in the back, what we have is running lights, and we have a brake light. Now this is going to work one of two ways. This is also going to work as a work light for the back, and all you've got to do is flip a switch.
Ooh, that's bright.
It's very bright. And then the turn signals are going to work the same way. So you'll notice your brake bar is also going to be a turn signal as well.
Very cool. There's the hazards again.
There's the hazards again. And let's go ahead and hit the brakes.
Yeah. Wow. It's a very cool setup.
Very cool setup. And as you can see, you're not going to have any problems being seen at night with this new RavEk, or even during the day for that matter.
Right. And we need to disclaim that this is a street legal kit, but you got to check with your own local, state, county, and all that for the restrictions to see what truly is legal or not. But we sell these at Heartland Honda, and you can get them. Jacob can get them installed. And thanks for watching.
Give us a call.